I got it. Alright, for this first item, it is a Scalp Revival, and it's a charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. Shampoo? I thought it'd be for the face. Oh. Ew. What? Okay. Yeah. Okay, first of all, it smelled like mint chocolate. It doesn't smell like coconut at all, but yes, it is for shampoo. Not gonna use that. Okay, next item is I Will Conquer, and then you fill that out, I think. Alright, next thing is a charcoal face off, wash off mask. Is a charcoal wash off mask, a 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing mud based formula, unclogs pores and lifts away impurities of all skin types. Also nothing, not gonna use that either. Okay, the next item is from So Susan Cosmetics, and it's a liquid matte long wear liquid lipstick. Let's say that 10 times fast. It's in the color pumpkin, so this is actually cool. I love liquid lipsticks. Let's see. Oh, that actually smells really, it smells like Fruity Pebbles, like no joke. And it's like a burnt orange. That's not bad. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, next item is from, I always pronounce this one wrong, but Kyote, I think, or something. It's Fierce Flicks. Fierce Flicks. Another one said 10 times fast. It is a, what the frick is it? I'm going to assume it's an eyeliner, but why doesn't it say that? After opening it, it is a liquid liner. So it's pretty wet. It doesn't look like it's bleeding, which is nice. So I don't really know. It doesn't say if it's waterproof or anything like that, or smudge proof or what, but we'll test it at the end. Last item I have is from The Balm, and it's Mary Lou Manizer, and it's illuminizing, and it's basically like a highlighter, which I already own this, like, I think they've given this to me like 3 times already, so not impressed. So I'm really not excited about, I mean, I love the bag, I'm not excited about the products. It's probably because I forgot to review my last month's one since I still haven't opened it. So they just give you whatever they want to give you. I typically like makeup only, so I gotta do my reviews. So again, mask, charcoal, and charcoal. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. A lipstick, highlighter that I already own, and a liquid eyeliner. Which, not bad. Like, it's not smearing. Well, the lipstick is. Yeah, I mean, the liner might be really well. I might really enjoy that. So, don't really care for it. It's just kind of like, so yeah. Stay tuned. I will do my December, and I will talk to you guys next month. Bye! December. Now, I was excited about this one, but I didn't get a chance to film it because, you know, the holidays got a little crazy. I didn't even notice the bag, to be honest. Like, I didn't even look at my, what was I gonna get for December. I didn't do anything. I was so busy for the holidays. So this is really beautiful. It's silver. It's got like a mint behind it with some glitter. I mean, yes. So first of all, these 3 came in, well, I guess 2 because that's the card. These 2, another face mask, which I don't do anything on my face. I don't like masks. Not my thing. But Pure Lease, a coconut, and a green tea. So I might give those to somebody. Alright, okay, the next item, we'll dig down, and I've got another liner. This is by NYX, which I love NYX, and I can get it at my local Target, so it's cool to get something that I probably would not buy normally, because this looks blue, but I'm excited to try it for free. So yes. Oh yeah, I like it. It's like a midnight blue eyeliner. Very cool. So the NYX Professional Makeup, it's Faux Blacks Midnight. Guessed it. Next item. Ooh, a mini lipstick from Smashbox, a great company. So like I said, this box I knew was going to be, this bag was going to be great because it's usually just straight makeup. Usually it's makeup. I did get a couple face masks, not a big deal, whatever. Alright, so this is really red. And it is called Legendary. I don't want to swatch it because I would love to give this also away to somebody, but it is a gorgeous red. I'm more into the liquid lipsticks, the mattes, because I can kiss myself and they won't come off. Regular lipstick, not a fan of, but this is a gorgeous red. So save that to do a giveaway as well. The next item is from City Colors, which I love City Colors. Ah, this is beautiful. Ooh, this is like a purpley pink. I don't even know if that makes sense. It's called It's a Girl. Is this a shadow or a blush? Eyeshadow. It's a big ass eyeshadow, to be honest. But dang, I love that color. Ooh, it's not very pigmented, but you gotta build on it. That's okay. Ooh. I mean, it's kind of close to what I'm wearing. Well, I would have loved to have this color, so I'm gonna definitely do something with this. Like, awesome. Alright, last but not least, another brush. And like I said, I've gotten every brush except for January. I haven't gotten a brush, and that's probably because I didn't do my reviews. So it's very important, do the review. But this is beautiful. This is a glittery pink and pinkish purple from, does it say Miss Glam? I am not sure. But it's really hard to read what it says right there. But it's got little diamonds on it. And again, purple. It's not the softest brush, but very cute. Like, beautiful. For 10 bucks. But again, guys, that is my December. If you watched my January, this is my December. And I'm going to go do my review so I stop getting crap I don't want. And I will see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!